Alright, here we go. Unboxing Sacred Saturday provisions. So, I previously ordered a charger for my newer computer where I do, the one I do like my YouTubing stuff through. It did not work with the box, so I returned it in person to an Amazon Fresh, and it was accepted for return, and then I got a refund. And that day, Wednesday, 11 June 2025, I placed an order for 2 different chargers to see if I could get one of them to work on my computer. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle, and this is Unboxing Sacred Saturday Provisions Editions. Here's the package. I opened the door and I was facing this, and I was like, is this from Amazon or Jeff Bezos? Both. The delivery person? All of the above. And so, Mr. Jeff Bezos, if you're watching, I did take you in mind and put you into account when filming this video, and I was like, I'll do it sooner than later because I don't want to keep him waiting if he is expectant. Okay. And, is there anything to say before or as I unbox? So the previous charger that didn't work was 118 watts, and the current charger I have is like 100 or 110, and somewhere along the way, a wise Englishman told me not to go over 100 watts for my chargers. That was back when I approximately got the computer, and so these both are 96 watt chargers. So if the wattage of the charger was what? Where's the address? Let me take the address. Was the problem? Then these both might work. We shall see. So I was gonna do one and then the other. And I've been using, and so this is Sacred Saturdays. The current game I'm playing is Nancy Drew Labyrinth of Lies. Though I could add in our Nancy Drew. The Shattered Medallion is a rogue one. And there's Nancy Drew Sea of Darkness, which I finished, but all 3 I have accessible. So here's one of the chargers. Came in bubble wrap. We shall see, we shall see. I gotta show it a little bit in case I need to do something. I see what it came as if I confuse the wrapping between the 2. And Nancy Drew Labyrinth of Lies is set in Greece, and Greek cultural center with the ancient Greece exhibit in Greece. And you go, why are you bringing this up? And I was like, well, I brought up Jeff Bezos. And in the game itself, there's actually a list of like museums or places they get artifacts from. And there's a Kostas Bezos gallery or something. And I was like, is Bezos Greek? I was thinking that this morning. It's like, I'm thinking about making this video. I was like, is Bezos Greek? Is Jeff Bezos Greek? I might have thought of that in the opposite direction, though. I was like, is Jeff Bezos Greek? Is Bezos Greek? Jeff Bezos is Greek. So I was like, okay. And so, and here's the second charger. So I get to try them out and see how they are. I might wait a day in respect to Father's Day, my father's birthday and Father's Day, and then do an update video on if they worked. But I bring that up in part. I was out on my walk run this morning, and I saw one of my friends growing up who was a year older than me, Xana, who is of Greek ancestry. And I was like, I was continuing on, and I saw her, and she looked really good. And I was like, I should eat Greek food or something. Could I do like a eat the whole box? While playing the Greek one, whether I play that this coming weekend or it's the Shattered Medallion or Sea of Darkness or whatever. It's like, what could I do? And I was like, how about, I've done cheese twice. I've done mozzarella, which is Italian. I've done the Laughing Cow, which is French. I was like, how about like a box of feta cheese or something? So, some combination of Xana and Jeff Bezos may inspire, I guess, inspire might be the right word, food choice for Nancy Drew Labyrinth of Lies Sacred Saturday Eating During Play videos. Goes that way. But there we go. So unboxing Sacred Saturday Provisions Editions 2 chargers, and we'll see how they fare.